Today I'm introducing the 4 foundations of mindfulness or Mahasatipatthana Sutta as delivered by the Buddha. Why the Buddha teach about Satipatthana or the 4 foundations of mindfulness? The Buddha mentioned in the part of body contemplation. The first thing the Buddha teaches about mindfulness with the breath. Breathe in mindfully, breathe out mindfully. So that to train the mind to calm down and to be peaceful. When we are doing this, mindfulness is developed. Thinking mixed up with greed, mixed up with lust. Thinking mixed up with delusion. This is called defilement. Mindfulness can reduce and cut off anger and delusion. Then the mind can be pure. When you practice, you can purify the mind. You can see how the mind changes. Moving hand slowly and stop momentarily. Moving and stopping momentarily. Some people experience vibration at the center of the palm or the fingers. Move through the arm and come to the chest. Keep on concentrating at the chest. The feeling at the chest become clearer than the hand. Later on, no need to moving hand. Keep on concentrating at the chest. The feeling from the chest move to the back. And then move on the back, move to the neck. Come to the brain. And come to the forehead. Come out. When you feel this, you feel body very light. Very light. Next time you do this again, second time, third time, lighter and lighter. You feel very clear. When you want to drink, don't enjoy the taste of what you drink. Just think that you need to drink. When your hand slowly move to the cup and hold the cup slowly up. Mindfulness with the hand. And when the cup touch the lip. And slowly take the water in the mouth. Keep it in the mouth first. Then slowly swallow the water. When the water is moving in the throat in the body, you can feel. Keep on concentrating. How do you feel? The vibration is there. The throat and come to the chest. The taste of the water come to the brain as well. Keep on concentrating. This experience make you peaceful every time without anything influence the mind. For walking meditation, stand still first. Slowly lift the soul up on the floor and then move forward. Touch the floor, parallel to the floor. Right and left, right and left. The eye look in front about 45 degrees. At the walking moment, mindfulness develop. This experience make you peaceful every time. You feel very clear, very light. Before falling asleep, concentrate at the pillow. How the head touches the pillow and feeling vibration. Sometimes you feel at the chest rising and ceasing, rising or rise and fall at the chest. Keep on concentrating on that phenomenon. The feeling in the life process is always experienced. Every time, every moment until falling asleep.